Greetings, I'm Dr. Reynolds here at Detroit School of Arts. DSA is a comprehensive performing, fine, communication, and media arts college preparatory high school. Detroit Public Schools Community District has partnered to create pathways for 4 middle schools: Duke Ellington, Spain, John R. King, and Brenda Scott. That is my hope and dream, that they would not only be artists and travel, but they will also be scientists and teachers and lawyers and whatever they desire and dream to be. And the arts will be used as an anchoring tool for them to know that they have self-expression and self-worth through the arts.